papers in the national and international research papers in journal. Achieved for obtaining about with further ado, I would like to request our chief guest, Professor Dr. Usha Pandey ma'am, to deliver the keynote address and enlighten us with your valuable insights on this important occasion. Please, ma'am.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Sure, ma'am.
Theme of International Midwives Day, that is 1 million more midwives. It is indeed, it is a why this theme was selected by. Can you hear me? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm audible. International Confederation of Midwifery Groups, we had a number of meetings in Delhi, and later on by 2019, a new proposal had come up and it had started, that is creating NPMs, Nurse Practitioner in Midwifery, and NPMEs, Nurse Practitioner in Midwifery Educators. So that program is going on. I think the two speakers who are going to speak with the help of PPTs, they will tell about this also. I'm just telling you that this program is conducted throughout India in some states, not all states, but something like 10 to 11 states are having this program. I hope Uttarakhand has the program of this NPM.
You are the silent strength behind every midwife, ma'am.
Thank you.
Comforting presence for every mother, ma'am. And thank you, ma'am, for empowering midwife in all India level. And your support towards life in India is truly inspiring, ma'am. Really, and is making a meaningful difference in a woman health care, ma'am. And I need your support, ma'am, to start my JJB center, Janani Jagati Bharat Center, in again in my ma'am.
ओके मैंने ओबीडी मेंबरशिप के थर्ड सीजन की आई थी मैडम ने मुझे मोटिवेट किया कि आप कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंटल स्टडीज करिए प्लांट टीचिंग और ये सब होता रहता है हमें कुछ नया करना है तो उस दिन मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हाँ करेंगे लेकिन सपोर्ट कैसे मिलेगा ये कैसे करेंगे तो मैडम ने मुझे एक चीज बोली थी कि मानसी मैं तुमको हेल्प करूंगी कोई इशू नहीं है बट मैडम दूसरे कॉलेज में थी
Ma'am is also an advisor in GI and FMR Foundation. She is an expert, subject expertise in the IGNU University, HNB Garhwal University, West Bengal University, Gujarat University, Parul University, KGMU University, SGPGI, Lucknow University, and many more universities. Ma'am has also received various awards. She was a best officer. She also received a best officer award in the army. She also received the Star Asia Award by the Global Achiever Foundation in Nepal in 2000. In 2000, she also received the Mentor Institute Award in 2022 from Honorable Chief Minister of UP. Ma'am has also done an ICMI conference in 2022 as a research reviewer. Ma'am was chaired the session in ICM Bali.
Inviting me and sharing my views on environment.
Ma'am, your voice is getting echo, ma'am. From your side, there is some echo. We can't be able to hear you clearly.
Is it okay now?
Born baby is born. This is a picture of a midwife of 1970.
checking the heart sound. Another slide of a midwife. These are the traditional midwife of West Bengal. And this is the glimpses of the Indian oldest midwife, whose name was Narasama, and she has delivered more than 15,000 babies. She died in 2018 at the age of 98. So as the theme is given to me, empowerment of midwife, you can see with these all glimpses that midwife was always in action, with passion and in compassion. According to ICM, who is midwife? A midwife is a person who has successfully completed a midwifery education program that is duly recognized in the country where it is located, and it is based on ICM essential competencies. And the qualification that she need to be registered or legally licensed to practice midwifery and use the title midwife to demonstrate competency in the practice of midwifery. Coming to the research paper which indicates that midwifery care are associated with benefit. Midwife offer respectful, anticipatory and flexible care which encompasses the need of women, her newborn, family members and community. And it always begins with the primary attention to the nature of relationships between the woman who is seeking midwifery care and relationship between a lady who is going to give birth to child and its midwife. Now, accordingly, where the midwife is posting, the midwife posting is as per the case law of the facility. My next slide, please. Now they are the appropriate provider for low moderate risk pregnancy. There is a research study by the Lenson 2014. It has mentioned that the provision of accessible quality midwifery service that are responsible to women's need and want should be the part of design of healthcare service delivery, and they should inform policy related to the composition, development and distribution of health workforce in all countries. The Cochrane review from 2013, the review concludes that most women should be offered MNC model of care, although caution should be exercised in applying this advice to women with substantial medical or obstetrical complication. There was an article in Women Health Issue 2012. Physical examination and advice on laboratory test from the recommended list of investigation, and she should monitor the progression of pregnancy. Midwife should assess the fetal and maternal well-being, promote and support healthy behavior that improves women well-being, including ANC exercise. She should detect, manage and refer women with complicated pregnancy and provide counseling to the women and their family on the preparation of birth and preparedness for complication and to prepare readiness plan. These all key competencies are on the basis of midwifery guidelines. Midwife should prepare the anticipate the pregnancy, birth, breastfeeding, parenthood, postpartum family planning, and changes in the family. She should also advocate it. She will put it in point of care for this. She prepare a woman for UA, and he will also counsel on the use of the card and the DFM, is fetal movement count in third semi-pregnancy, and she will evaluate if any reduce sugar, nitrites, leukocyte, WBC count, and she can also give order or investigation form can be filled for urine culture and sensitivity in case of uncomplicated malaria in pregnancy. Rapid test malaria and thick drop or thin smear can be prepared in case of eclampsia or pre-eclampsia case. Again, the urine dipstick test for albumin can be advised by the midwife. For thyroid disorder, TSH hormone estimation can be it's can sputum for acid fast, that is AFB smear. These are the cases of what are the our India government program supporting midwifery, that is Lakshya, which is mainly focused on labor room quality improvement. The second one is Suman, which is free respectful maternity services. Then Janni Shishu Suraksha Karyakram, that is JSSK, Janni Suraksha Yojana JSK.
Encouraged by your words, ma'am, and I hope they will be a very good midwives like us learning students and become a support to empower the mothers in their critical fields. Ma'am, I also really thank Namita ma'am as she has restarted JGV in for the antenatal care unit in Arogya Nursing College, ma'am. As we have started, like ma'am's objective is that to support Mansi ma'am. Ma'am, I request Dr. Usha Konde ma'am, if you want to add something more in this session, you are welcome to this, ma'am.
See, I had shared the pledge with Navneeta. It is in WhatsApp. So can you make people take the pledge?
Yes, ma'am, definitely we are.
Every champion. And
Definitely, ma'am.
Okay.
please go ahead and do that pledge.
Be champion, and I solemnly pledge and will do my best to advance the midwifery profession and amplify our voice to key decision maker and policy maker. Yes, I will do. Advocate for regularization of midwifery service and creation of additional posts. Yes, I can do. Promote friendly legislation.
नेशनल अभियान दैट इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. वी आर वेरी लकी कि मैडम ने अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से हमें टाइम दिया, है ना. आप बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कभी कभी क्या करना कुछ टॉपिक्स को ऐसे ही समझते हैं, बट दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. एनएनएमसी के अकॉर्डिंग अभी आईएनसी टोटली डिमोलिश हो चुका है. आईएनसी का एडवांस जो वर्जन है वो है एलएनएमसी, जिसके अंदर मैडम जो है सोबी की एम्प्लीफाई आवर वीडियोस टू की डिसीजन मेकर पॉलिसी मेकर. Advocate for regularization of midwifery service and creation of additional posts. Promote friendly legislation to enhance recognition and accessibility of the midwifery care. Support and contribute in uplifting midwifery education and training program so that midwives feel empowered to provide high quality care. Advocate for implementing midwifery-led care in my current institution, keeping in mind 5 C's of care: commitment, competence, compassion, collaboration, and courage. create innovative approaches, modern.
We, with the help of PPTs, they will tell about this also. I'm just telling you that this program is conducted throughout India in some states, not all states, but something like 10 to 11 states are having this program. I hope Uttarakhand has the program of this NPMs and NPM.
And the role she plays in providing human-centric, compassionate, and refined care. Yes. Motivate and encourage new nurses about the opportunity around midwifery and continuity of care model available. Yes. And support and take